How to delete block contact on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can delete block contact on WhatsApp. So in order to delete block contacts on WhatsApp, first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. In order to delete the block contact, the only way to do it so is by unblocking them. So to unblock them, you'll have to tap the three dot icon, go to settings, and from here go to privacy. After you click the privacy button on the other page, you'll need to go ahead and tap on block, which is located right at the bottom. Now on this page, in order to unblock them, you have to long press on the number and click the unblock button. As soon as you do that, the following contact will be unblocked, as well as they'll be removed from your block contact, or they'll be deleted from the block. In this way you can delete block contact on WhatsApp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.